Hello. Today we are going to briefly go over how to use the catalog for the Morris County Library. Let's start from the desktop. First, we need to open an internet browser. We have Chrome here on our public computers, but if you're using your own device, you can use whatever browser you have available. Edge, Firefox, Safari, all work fine. To open the browser, you must double-click on it with the left mouse button. On a library computer, our website, mclib.info, should come up right away. On a personal device, click the URL bar, type mclib.info, then press Enter to get to our site. This search bar, when you first come onto our site, will search the library website for events and services, but not library materials. To search materials, we first click on Catalog, down here. This is our main catalog page. Any search you type in here will search the entire main consortium, which consists of 50+ libraries in Morris County and beyond. Type in a book title, author, or keyword, then press Enter, or click Search, as shown on the screen. Your results will come up like this. If you require further filters, you can use these options along the top. By default, you see Entire Collection is selected, which shows results from all 50+ of those aforementioned libraries. Morris County Library will limit the results to just materials owned by the county branch. Available on shelf means that the item is owned by us and is available on our shelf right now. And more complicated filters are available on this sidebar with the option to filter by fiction or nonfiction, target audience, and more. Now let's look at what these results really mean. Any item that shows up means that we have it here somewhere in the main system, but it doesn't necessarily mean that we have it here right now. A green on shelf means that we have the item right here at the Morris County Library right now. A yellow box that says either checked out or available from another library means it is available somewhere in the system but not at our building. A red checked out means that all copies in the system are checked out right now. If you cannot find an item in the catalog and you really want it, give us a call and we will search for the item from libraries around the U.S. using interlibrary loan. As you can see, some items come from other formats besides books. These are listed right under each other as part of the same result. Most ebooks can be accessed through Libby, although some are compatible on Kindle and can be read via the Kindle app. As you can see, these formats are listed separately. That should give you the basics on using the library catalog. If you have any other questions, contact us via our website or call us at 973-285-6930. Stay tuned for more guides on using the library's digital platforms, including setting up your Libby account and using the catalog to place holds.